It's been absolutely amazing for me to see how the entire organization has really embraced being part of something bigger. It resonates so much to me. It's been an absolute amazing journey for me to watch over this course of the year, and I'm really proud to be a part of it.
So a part of something bigger resonates with me a lot, and everything I do in my life to this day is very team oriented. Every employee at this company should understand that they play a vital role into the overall success of this company. Every single person.
Being a part of something bigger at Quanex means helping your team and your company grow to be better than they are today and to be an integral part of that growth.
Being part of something bigger gives us an edge, enabling us to maximise safety, quality and productivity.
As an employee at Quanex, being a part of something bigger means to me by always doing the right thing.
You know, we're not just here to make cabinet doors, we're here to make relationships with customers, we're here to make relationships with our peers. We really strive to be a big part of our community. It's not just a job, it really is a part of something bigger.
As an employee, being a part of something bigger just feels like you're a part of a team. We're a team that's going somewhere right now. And you know this team is laser focused on getting to that goal. And I expect us to do that in a relatively short time.
I'm Scott Zilke.
I'm Cheryl.
I'm Jason.
My name is Jesselyn Carpenter.
My name is Misty.
My name is Jack.
And I'm part of something bigger.